Looking to transform your living room into a cozy escape? Here are some ideas that will effortlessly turn your house from a simple space into a warm, inviting sanctuary. So let's dive in, shall we? Imagine this. After a long day, the kind where the hours stretch and bend with ups and downs, you finally step into your haven. The world outside fades, and all that remains is the soft glow of your sanctuary. Here, layers of luxe fabrics await to envelop you in a cocoon of comfort and warmth. Consider the sumptuous embrace of fur. Its soft, dense texture feels like a gentle hug, each strand whispering calm and serenity. Draping fur over a sofa or chair invites you to sink in, let go, and feel its luxurious touch against your skin. It's the perfect antidote to a hectic day, offering solace in its tactile opulence. And then there's the exotic allure of Mongolian lamb. Its long, curly fibers create a visual and sensory feast, inviting you to dive into its fluffy depths. This fabric speaks to a deeper need for indulgence, for moments when you seek to be cradled in a cloud of softness. Draping it over a chair or laying it across your bed, it turns ordinary spaces into extraordinary retreats. Together, these fabrics don't just decorate a room, they transform it. They create a sanctuary where every touch, every glance is an invitation to relax and recharge. After a day filled with the world's demands, this is where you can truly unwind. Your space becomes a haven, a cocoon where luxury and comfort intertwine, wrapping you in a sense of well-being and peace. So, when the day has been long and the evening calls for calm, these fabrics are more than just decor. They are your allies in the art of relaxation. They invite you to settle in, let go, and relish the comforting embrace they offer. Let them transform your room, and in turn, transform you. The ottoman, my friend, is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a cornerstone of comfort, a silent companion in our moments of rest. Picture how it invites you to stretch out, offering a soft landing for tired feet after a long day. Its presence is unassuming, yet profoundly felt, like a gentle embrace that asks nothing in return, but gives everything in comfort. Now, think of those Sunday mornings when the world outside is a blur of rain and wind, and you choose to cocoon yourself indoors. The ottoman becomes a sanctuary, a place to perch as you dive into a good book or simply stare out the window, lost in thought. It holds your favorite mug, your stack of magazines, and sometimes, when you're feeling whimsical, your cat decides it's the perfect spot for a nap. And let's not forget the gatherings, the times when friends or family come over. The ottoman transforms into an extra seat, a game table, a space for laughter and stories shared over wine and cheese. It's a piece that brings us together, fostering closeness and connection in the most subtle of ways. And, in the quiet of the evening, when the world outside slows down, the ottoman stands as a steadfast symbol of home. It's where you find a moment of peace, a touchstone of tranquility amid the chaos of daily life. It's the simple pleasure of propping up your feet, the luxury of a surface just for you, the small, steady comfort that grounds you. So, as you sink into your living room, let the ottoman be a reminder that coziness isn't just about warmth and softness. It's about creating a space where you feel at ease, where every element invites you to relax, to breathe, to simply be. It's in these small touches, these thoughtful additions, that we find our true comfort, our sense of home. Imagine stepping into a living room where the furniture embraces you with its closeness, inviting warmth and connection. By keeping sofas and chairs nestled together, we create an intimate setting that wraps everyone in a cocoon of comfort. No seat stands lonely, each one part of a harmonious whole, fostering a sense of togetherness that resonates deeply. It's like the room itself is whispering, "Here we gather, here we belong." Think of those evenings when laughter flows freely and stories are shared with ease, the closeness of the furniture turning moments into memories and strangers into friends. Picture arranging sofas and chairs in a U-shape or semicircle, a design that naturally draws us into conversation and connection. This arrangement is like a warm embrace, encouraging eye contact and the gentle exchange of words. It's in these circles that we find ourselves opening up, feeling seen and heard. Whether it's the comfort of a heart-to-heart chat with an old friend, or the lively banter of family gatherings, such settings transform our living rooms into havens of human connection. In these cozy nooks, we realize that the true essence of a home is not just in its walls, but in the moments of connection it nurtures. Imagine for a moment walking into your living room after a long day. The air is calm, the light is soft, and your eyes are drawn to the shelves lining the walls. These shelves, filled with books, trinkets, and memories, are more than mere storage. They are a tapestry of your life. Each item, thoughtfully placed, tells a story, reflecting your journey, your passions, and your dreams. The well-loved book with a dog-eared page, the seashell from a distant shore, the framed photograph of a cherished moment. All these pieces come together to create a sanctuary that is uniquely yours. Now, I want you to think of those quiet evenings, curled up on the sofa with a warm drink, glancing at the shelves that surround you. They hold not just objects, but echoes of laughter, whispers of adventures, and the silent comfort of familiar tales. The shelves transform the room into a haven of coziness, a place where every glance finds something that warms your heart. In this intimate space, you are not just surrounded by things, but by fragments of your life that make your home a true refuge, a place where you can truly be yourself. Join me on a journey where each video paints a brushstroke of creativity, and every room unfolds a unique story. Let's discover the secrets of style and comfort together. Subscribe now and let my shared passion transform your living spaces into havens of beauty and joy. You know, there's something truly magical about a throw blanket. Beyond its simple purpose of keeping us warm, it holds this incredible power to wrap us in a cocoon of emotional comfort and deep, heartfelt coziness. I've seen it time and again, especially with children. They find such solace in having that familiar, soft blanket close by. It becomes their shield against the uncertainties of the day, a safe haven where they can retreat and just be. And for us grown-ups too, it's like a silent companion that understands our need for peace and quiet amidst life's chaos. Whether it's draped over the couch or wrapped around our shoulders during a quiet moment, it's a gentle reminder that we deserve moments of calm and serenity. In its embrace, there's a warmth that goes beyond physical sensation. It's a warmth that touches the soul, reminding us of the simple joys of comfort and belonging. Imagine the home as a canvas where every detail whispers a story, where lighting dances gently on walls, guiding us through the moments of our lives. Under the soft glow of undershelf lights, kitchen conversations flourish, the aroma of shared meals blending with laughter that fills the air. Each flicker from the TV casts shadows of cozy movie nights, where stories from the screen weave into our own. In the quiet corners, overlooked by hurried days, lie potted plants that breathe life into our spaces, reminders of growth, resilience, and the simple joy of nurturing. These are the threads that weave our daily tapestry, where kids play and learn, where stories are read and dreams take shape. In these details, in these moments, we find not just a house, but a sanctuary, a reflection of who we are and the warmth we share.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.